Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has garnered a lot of attention for its effectiveness: the Orly Nail Rescue Kit. This kit is known as the best genius remover for nails, and today we'll explore why it deserves a place in your beauty arsenal. The Orly Nail Rescue Kit comes in a convenient pack of 2, making it a perfect choice for anyone who loves to keep their nails looking pristine. With a price point of $22.90, this kit offers great value for money, especially when you consider the quality and results it delivers. So, what's inside this magic kit? The Orly Nail Rescue Kit includes a brush-on nail glue and a nail repair powder. This unique combination is designed to fix broken, chipped, or cracked nails in just a few easy steps. It's perfect for those of us who are prone to nail mishaps or simply want to maintain our manicure between salon visits. The first step in using the Orly Nail Rescue Kit is to apply the brush-on nail glue directly onto the damaged area. The application is super simple and allows for precise control, ensuring you target only the area that needs fixing. Next, dip the glued area into the nail repair powder. This is where the magic happens. The powder adheres to the glue, creating a strong bond that reinforces the nail. It's amazing to see how quickly it sets. Once you've applied the powder, use the included nail buffer to smooth out the surface. This step is crucial because it helps blend the repaired area with the rest of your nail, giving you a seamless finish. And voila! With just a few simple steps, my damaged nail is looking as good as new. The Orly Nail Rescue Kit not only repairs but also helps prevent future breakage, making it an essential product for anyone who loves to keep their nails healthy and strong. What I love most about this kit is its non-toxic formula, which means you can feel good about using it without worrying about harsh chemicals. Plus, the ease of use makes it suitable for both nail care enthusiasts and those who are new to nail repairs. To sum it up, the Orly Nail Rescue Kit is an incredible tool for anyone looking to maintain their nails at home. With its effective formula, ease of use, and professional results, it's no wonder that this product is being hailed as the best genius remover for nails. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're interested in grabbing this incredible costume, make sure to check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep flying high and looking fabulous.